Okay, you're in Sam's kitchen. You're not allowed to make a mess, eh?
We're in the camera guy's kitchen today. Are we allowed to still use the word camera guy?
Yeah, it's not my kitchen though.
But it's camera guy, camera girl. I know there's a lot of controversy these days.
I know you can use camera guy.
Or must I just call you camera?
Camera guy identifies as a camera.
Okay. Alright, camera guy. We'll keep you on camera guy.
It's not camera guy's kitchen though, eh?
Okay.
Sam's kitchen.
Sam's kitchen, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks Sam.
No mess
We've got
allowed.
upmarket today and no mess allowed.
No mess allowed.
Good.
Okay, so what are you doing?
Right, today we're going to do a lovely little dish which is chicken with grapes and basil.
Chicken, grapes and boring old basil.
Boring old basil sounds very unusual,
Okay.
but it is thoroughly delicious.
Okay.
We're going to serve that with some nice crispy potato wedges.
Alright.
And you'll be for away with that.
Cool.
And of course, as usual,
course.
we've got a little cheeky rosé.
Absolutely.
Just to keep us busy in the meantime.
Yep. Yeah, a good sip of that. What have you got here?
Okay.
Besides from basil.
Boring old basil, of course.
Yeah.
We've got one small chopped up onion.
Yeah.
One chopped up garlic clove.
Yeah.
That's about 300 grams of bite-sized chicken breast. Cut that up.
100 grams.
There's seedless white grapes, lovely sweet seedless white grapes.
All chopped.
Cut them into three.
Into three.
Okay. Then we've got your friend, boring old basil.
Yeah.
Bit of butter. Then we've got two medium-sized potatoes. They've been parboiled and for about 50 minutes. Because what we're going to do is we're going to chuck these in the air fryer to crisp up for another 20 minutes to finish them off.
Parboiled for 50 minutes.
For 50 minutes to cook them virtually through.
Okay.
Okay. And then our liquids, some nice double thick cream. We've got about 400 mils of chicken stock, just made up chicken stock from the powder. And we've got probably 100 mils of white wine.
White wine.
White wine.
Okay. 100
Okay.
mils of white wine.
Yeah.
All right.
So, should we get cracking?
Yeah, let's go. What do you do?
Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut up our wedges. We want nice chunky wedges here, so I'm going to cut it in half, and then each half, I think into three will be fine. So we've got nice chunky wedges there. And like I said before, these potatoes have been par-cooked, so don't worry if you lose a few bits and pieces along the way. Same for this one.
It's a big potato.
It's a medium potato.
Spud.
It's a spud. It's a nice little spudderoo.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Pop those in. Put this one into three as well. Don't worry if they're a bit uneven. Nice and rustic does the day here on the shortcut. Doesn't it, camera guy?
Does.
Does. Right, a little bit of oil, drizzle of oil. In we go.
Olive oil.
Yeah, olive oil, veg oil, you can use most oils, whatever you want really.
Oil your potatoes.
Okay, all our potatoes. Then I've got a little veg and potato seasoning here. You can use whatever seasoning you like. Some people like them really spicy. Okay, I want to get a nice amount of this out.
Oh, so much.
Yep.
Okay.
Potatoes can take a good seasoning.
Alright.
Alright, so give those a little mush together.
Okay.
Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to pop these in our air fryer for about 15 minutes to start. Then we'll check them. If they need longer, we'll give them longer.
Okay.
So these are going in our air fryer.
Right,
Be
let's
right
go to the
back.
air fryer.
In they go. Okay, on 180. There we go, 15 minutes.
15 minutes, we'll leave
check
them in there.
We'll check them after 15.
Cool.
If they need longer,
Set 'em back.
give them longer.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay. Yep, we ready.
Okay. So,
On the
heat on.
stove. Heat on.
Drizzle of oil.
Drizzle of oil.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay. This chicken shouldn't take long at all to cook.
So you cook the chicken first.
Yes, we're going to cook the chicken first, then we're going to make the sauce, add our chicken back into our sauce. Okay, here we go. In with our chicken.
Now what heat have you got going?
Heat. Hot heat.
Hot heat.
Okay.
Okay, a bit of pepper.
Yeah, a little bit of pepper, some salt. Okay. Okay, we're just going to cook this for about, won't take longer than 5 minutes because we're going to finish it in the sauce as well. And these are nice small bite-sized pieces. Can you see that, camera guy?
Yeah.
Nice small bite-sized pieces.
Yeah.
That's what we're after.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're just pre-cooking it. No, you're cooking it, but not fully.
90%. I want that. Right.
Okay, with a bit of pepper.
Pepper, salt.
Pepper, salt, and oil.
Yep.
Alright. I like your apron there.
Yeah, no, you like this new apron?
Yeah, that's a good
Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cool apron, huh? We thought we'd go all out today.
No, it is very fancy. I think it's something that suits you.
We thought we need to liven things up a bit.
You could become an influencer with that apron.
I think so.
Let's see how you toss that pan.
I'm a good tosser, Neil.
You are a good tosser.
Sorry, camera guy.
Yeah. Again.
I just don't know if we're going to get away with this camera guy because the world's gone crazy.
Yeah, well,
Eh?
I identify the camera guy.
Okay. Right, can you see it? It's browning up nicely now.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah. Let's get a close up there. Looking good.
Yeah, looking good.
Yeah. Master tong
tosser.
Tong tosser.
Nice pan in your kitchen, Sam's kitchen.
Yeah. Sam's kitchen is.
It's a Master Chef pan.
Master Chef. You
Wow.
too can get them. They're on special.
Oh, okay. I think we're nearly
So
there.
any tips to cooking chicken aside from putting it in the stove and tossing it around a bit?
Well, depends what you're doing. You're roasting. That's a different process.
True.
Don't overcook it.
Don't overcook it.
That's a good tip.
Okay, but don't undercook it.
Don't undercook it.
Just get it right.
Yeah. Don't overcook, don't undercook. Just cook it just right.
Cook it just right.
I think that's fair. Okay. So, if I look here, break that little guy open. Camera guy, you break that open, you
It's
can see
nice
it's
and
cooked.
cooked inside.
That's it. You don't need it more than that.
Alright.
Okay, into our little dish.
To the dish.
Okay, pan back on,
Pan
just
back
as it
on.
is.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Bit more oil.
Tiny bit more oil. Don't need a lot here
Okay.
because I'm going to throw some butter in as well. Okay, butter in. Onions in.
Onions in.
Okay. Here we go. Cook these onions for a couple of minutes. Soften them up.
Okay.
Yep.
Just butter, oil and onions at the
That's
moment.
it. It's going to give us this delicious sauce. Very different sauce, but hugely tasty this one. Hugely.
I will believe you.
Yep. Our onions have softened now, really nice and juicy. We're going to throw our garlic in. Our one crushed garlic clove.
One garlic clove.
I would say it's one garlic clove.
Okay.
In it goes.
Yeah.
At the same time, I'm going to throw the grapes in.
Yeah.
Very unusual
Grapes.
that, yes.
Alright. So
Very
grapes into
unusual.
a hot pan.
Into a hot pan.
Okay.
You want to soften these grapes. They're going to caramelize. They're going to go really, really nice and sweet. That's what we're after here.
Okay.
Okay, just to help that little sweetening, teaspoon of sugar.
Teaspoon of sugar.
In that goes.
Interesting.
Interesting. Very, very
Right.
interesting recipe this. Okay, so now
Have you eaten this before?
No.
Oh.
No, I have. It's delicious.
Alright.
Absolutely delicious.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to caramelize this lot.
Alright.
Not the normal caramelization to dark, but we're just going to give it some nice color. This is going to take 2 or 3 minutes. Smelling good.
Yes.
Huh? Looking good.
Love the smell of grapes cooking in the afternoon.
And drinking.
Alright. Drinking. Yeah. Okay.
It's a great all round here.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. A grape. You're having a great time.
A great time.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is about done. You see, you don't want to overdo it because you'll actually burn the onion. So you just want a little bit of color there. You got that?
Yeah.
Camera guy,
The
got it?
grapes. Yeah, we got it.
Okay. In with our other grape juice, which is the white wine.
White wine.
In that goes. We're going to reduce this right down. Very important this. You need to reduce this right down until it's syrupy. That is vital in this
Okay.
dish. Okay.
How long will that take about?
Oh, it'll take a couple of minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes max.
So you're making it syrupy.
Syrupy, you want to get rid of all that alcohol
Yep.
and any bitterness. So we're going to juice it right down.
Right.
While we're doing that, we're going to lightly squeeze these grapes as well.
Oh, you're going to squish them.
A little light squishing, that's all.
Yeah. They used to step on them in the old days.
Yeah, no, I don't think they want my toes in here.
Probably not. Okay.
Flavors are coming through already, we just got to reduce this. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so we're going to reduce this down. It won't take longer than 5 minutes.
See, get Sam's kitchen relatively tidy.
I think I've done well.
I think so. Oh.
Sam should be happy.
Let's slip it in. Camera guy will end up cleaning up.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So is it reduced?
No. Gotta go right there.
Just don't reduce me to tears.
No, I'll try not to. Wouldn't be the first time though.
So no chili in this one, huh?
No chili.
Okay.
We want the sweetness of the grapes, the decadence of the cream.
How's your potatoes doing? They're cooking.
Yeah, no, those are ready.
Okay.
They actually took 20 minutes in the
20.
air fryer on 200.
Okay. Even though they were parboiled.
Even though they were parboiled,
Okay.
gave them a bit extra just to make sure they were really nice and crispy.
All right.
Really
Okay.
lovely.
Really how?
Crispy.
Okay. Cool. That cooking term.
Yes. Okay, so here we
Let's
go.
do
Camera
two
guy, you on this?
Yeah, we're on
See how
this.
that's reduced right down?
Yeah.
Syrupy, you see that? Nearly all that liquid is gone. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, chicken stock in.
Chicken stock.
Chicken stock. Same
Now,
thing.
do you mix that chicken stock with water? 'Cause
Yes.
whenever I buy chicken stock, it's always like in a little
You can.
square box.
Yep, you can use that as well.
Oh,
Or you can make your own
oh.
if you're
It's a bit
adventurous.
adventurous.
If you're adventurous. We're getting there. We're getting there. Right. We're going to reduce this by about half.
Okay. Again.
Yep. All the
Another
flavor.
reduction.
All the flavor is in the reduction of the sauce. Okay. Nice intense flavor by reducing the sauce. So we're going to give that about 5 minutes or so. Have a look here. Camera guy.
Yeah.
You're looking.
Yeah.
See how they're getting nice big bubbles here.
Yes.
See how it's reduced.
Yeah.
This is what we're after. Those nice big bubbles. Okay.
Yeah. Grapes are bubbling around. in
Now
there.
what we're going to do is throw a couple of tablespoons of extra thick cream. Double thick.
Okay.
Throw our chicken in.
Oh, again, yeah. Chicken
Okay.
goes in now.
Chicken
Yeah.
goes in now.
Okay.
In with some of your
Some of
favorites.
the old boring old
Yeah,
basil.
boring old basil. We're just going to break that in.
Okay.
Be generous.
Be generous with the basil.
Be generous with the basil.
Okay, we haven't done coriander for a while, but your boring old basil's going in.
Yeah, boring old basil.
Okay.
And we're going to be generous with this basil.
Yeah, I see that.
With that boring old basil.
Yeah.
Okay. Want a nice basil flavor in this one. Okay. Right.
Give it a
We're
mix.
nearly there. Gonna let that come to the boil and simmer for a couple of minutes just to thicken up nicely. Obviously, you know what we got to do now. Little taste. Ooh.
Tasting good.
Yeah.
Put camera guy in there.
Oh, got a little bit of pepper.
A little bit of pepper.
Tiny bit of salt. Okay. Let's use all this basil in there. Get it all in there. Pouring all basil.
Okay, so you've got it all bubbling up there now.
Yeah. Now we're just going to thicken it to get the right consistency. And then we're good to go. You see how that's thickening up?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Lovely. I could drink this with a straw.
Probably shouldn't. Might burn your tongue.
Wow. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to fetch my wedges.
Okay, how are they looking?
Okay guys, we're about there now. You can see that sauce is thickened beautifully there.
You've got your patachis out.
We've got our patachis out there. See those? Oh, they look lovely.
They look nice and crisp.
Don't they?
Air fried.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're ready now?
Yeah, that's all the consistency. We don't want it too thick and we obviously don't want it thin. Okay. I'm going to put that to the side. Turn that guy off. Right. Just lay some of your wedges into the bowl.
Presentation is important.
Yes, obviously.
Yeah.
Especially if you've got someone coming down for dinner.
Yes.
Somebody
Impressive.
special.
An influencer of some sort.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, so then all we're going to do now, you see that? Got that? All our grapes.
Serve it hot, nice and grapes, yeah.
Pop that on top.
Okay.
Looking good.
It is looking good.
Lovely little meal this.
Sure. That's going to feed two, more than two.
Yeah. Two
Our
generous
friends
ones.
at last. Maybe Sam will have some, just it's payment for using her kitchen.
Oh yeah. Didn't think of that. Okay. All those lovely grapes, all that chicken on there. Don't waste any of this. And there it is. That is our delicious chicken, basil and grapes with crispy potato wedges.
Cool.
Absolutely fantastic.
Good.
Enjoy.